Two things grow quickly: kids and technological advancement. Individually and together, they shape our future. That's why the Ohio Space Grant Consortium backs events like Ohio Tech Day. This initiative enables students to engage their minds while gaining hands-on experience with cutting-edge technology and interacting with professionals from NASA and various industries.
It's pretty interesting to me because how technology works with other things that can help our lives make it easier.
I think it's amazing because working with girls at All Girls Academy, the opportunities they are given on a field trip like today, I think is just next level.
I feel like it's been great. Like, I'm enjoying it.
For K-12 events like this, VEX Robotics, mini grants, and more, check out the Ohio Space Grant Consortium on social media and at osgc.org.